and today I have a different recipe for you. It's a very common dish. It's called the Haleem, and I will be making it with beef. You can try it at home with lamb or chicken. In this recipe you'll need 6-7 types of lentils. So do try it at home, and any problems you have, do let me know. So let's go, let's start cooking. Thank you. So first of all, I'll explain to you all the ingredients, and I'll show you the Dhaal family here, the lentil family. This one is Moong Dhaal. You can get it in any store. This is Urid Dhaal. Again, this white Dhaal, it's very good for the stickiness. Some rice here, just normal Basmati rice. This is Chana Dhaal, Toor Dhaal. They both look the same, but they're actually different. So you can use any or use both. Then we have the normal Dhaal, the Masoor Dhaal. Pearl barley here, so I'm going to use some of that here as well. Atta, this is wheat. So I've just grinded some wheat spices. I've got chili powder here, Tumeric, garlic and ginger paste, thin sliced onions, ghee. This is normal cooking oil, bay leaves, salt, and the main ingredients is the Haleem mix. This you can pick up in any local shop, just a normal pack of Haleem mix powder spices. Finally, the main ingredients is the meat. So I've got here, which is washed and drained. I've got some beef, which is about 2 kilos here, and I've got some meat pieces and some bones as well. As I've showed you all the lentils earlier on, I've soaked it all overnight. This is how it looks in the morning. So I've just washed it, cleaned it, and now it's ready to boil. So I'll pour all this in here. Add the water, maybe 2 inches above the level. That's the turmeric. So 1 spoon of turmeric, chili powder, just a little bit, salt, 1 teaspoon, and few bay leaves. Just stir this and then put it on medium gas for about 20 minutes. Keep stirring till it melts. So I've got a non-stick pan here and it's just heated up. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, I'm going to put the onions in. Just wait for it to be brown. So let's have a look at the onions. As you can see, it's all gone golden, crispy. So now we'll add the meat. So I've got some meat pieces and some bones, so it's really nice to chew with the Haleem. So we'll just mix all this. So I've got salt here, so I'll put 2 spoons of salt, and ginger and garlic paste. So add that in, 2 spoons of that. So just let this cook. And lastly, I'll just add the Haleem mix that you can just buy it from any local store. So I've got this Haleem mix from my local store, and I'm just going to add this in. So mix all this and then leave it for about 15-20 minutes. Keep checking on medium gas. So I'm just going to give it a stir. You can see there's lots of water in here still. So we still need to keep cooking for another 10-15 minutes on medium gas. As you can see, it's all melted and you can see the texture. It's not too runny and we don't need to add water anymore. But we'll see. You can add water if you want it more runny. If the lentil's too hard, you can blend it. You can blend it, but you don't want it too smooth. You want some pieces there. So as you can see, I've sort of left lots of pieces in. So let's have a look. The meat is cooked. It's been cooking about 25 to 30 minutes. You can see the oil has come up and now it's become very tender and soft. So what we'll do is I'll just check it with a fork. If I can just split the meats like this. Yes, so what I'm going to do is do this to all of the meat here. I'm just going to break them into tiny pieces. So almost done with the fork. You can see most of my meat has become tender and all into tiny pieces. So the lentils have cooked. You can see the texture. Now we'll add the meat here. So So now that I've added the meat, I'm going to stir for about 10 minutes. The more you stir, the Haleem tastes better. So what you can do now is you can have it runny, so you can add water or keep this texture. So we just leave it for 10 minutes. So now 10 minutes is over. I'm going to fry the onions. So here I've got a non-stick pan here, a tablespoon of oil, ghee. So we'll add the onions on. We don't want to burn it, then it will taste bitter. So just give it 5-6 minutes stir. So stir this for about 3-4 minutes. So the onions are ready now to be poured in with the Haleem. So I'm just going to add some ginger, thinly sliced ginger, fresh ginger. So just about this much. And that's now ready to be poured into the Haleem. So we'll pour all this in here. Now our Haleem is ready, almost ready. We just give it another minute. You can see how beautiful it looks. So just another 3-4 minutes on the stove and then we'll take it off. So this looks very delicious and it's all ready to be served. So we'll take it off the stove. Okay. Now we can add any of this here. You can add the ginger here if you like ginger, and then I've got some coriander leaves and mint leaves, and then green chilies. Got lemon, some sliced lemon, onion, just some fried onions, and tomatoes. So whatever you prefer, you can have it. And now your Haleem is ready. So that was the Haleem. I hope you've enjoyed it. It looks very delicious. Can't wait to taste it. Do try yours at home and let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thanks.